In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Trello boards effectively and seamlessly. Whether you're using Trello for work, school, or personal projects, having an organized system can make all the difference in enhancing productivity and reducing stress. So let's dive in and explore some practical strategies to bring order to your Trello workspace. First, you'll need to log into Trello. Once you're in, it's crucial to utilize workspaces. Workspaces allow you to group related boards together, making them easier to manage and navigate. By clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, you can access the option to create a workspace. This feature is especially useful if you've got boards scattered across various projects. Consider grouping them under categories like marketing, personal, or different projects. After creating workspaces, the next step is to move your boards into the appropriate categories. This structured approach will enhance your workflow and make it a breeze to locate necessary boards at a moment's notice. Now, to streamline even further, you can star your favorite boards. On your Trello homepage, simply hover over a board and click the star icon. Starred boards will appear at the top of your Trello home screen, allowing for quick and easy access whenever you need them. Naming conventions play a crucial role in keeping things organized as well. Make sure to use consistent naming patterns. You can prefix board names with meaningful categories or dates. For example, you might name a board Client, ABC Co, or Project Launch Q3. This practice not only helps with alphabetical sorting, but also facilitates faster board identification. Another useful tip is to use board covers or background colors. You can personalize your boards by adding custom background images or colors through settings, then change background. Color coding boards by project type, urgency, or client can be a visual cue that makes your Trello experience even more efficient. By following these steps, you'll not only keep your Trello boards well organized, but you'll also gain an intuitive understanding of where everything is at any given time, which can free up mental space and improve your overall efficiency. Don't forget that these tips are adaptable. Feel free to adjust the categories, naming conventions, or color codes to better fit your unique workflow and preferences. That's the beauty of Trello. It offers the flexibility to tailor it to your organizational needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to create a Trello setup that works for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.